As a full-time realtor for over 20 years, I know what it takes to update or upgrade your home on a dime to get you the biggest return on investment. As you can see from today's post, we're talking about upgrades. We're talking about how you can get the biggest bang for your buck around your home. In 2018, we're living in an HGTV world. We're all looking for the easiest ways to improve our homes and get us the biggest impact. Clients ask me all the time, Jeremy, what can I do around my home to get me the most bang for my buck? Well, as you can see, we believe in minor bathroom remodels or updates, minor upgrades to your kitchen, or basement finish or remodels. Those are the items in our market here in Kansas City that give us the most bang for our buck. Just this summer, we completed a really easy and inexpensive remodel around our home. We did simple things such as paint our vanities. They were originally kind of a natural maple color like the interior of this drawer. We've now painted them Sherwin-Williams Urban Bronze, which is a top color. We've added some new hardware. We put on a new countertop with a new sink, and we installed a new modern faucet. Another easy thing we did was we replaced our original mirror and put up some rustic knotty alder wood that we stained in our basement as a frame around the mirror and installed a new light. You can make these kind of improvements around your home for as little as a few $100s or as much as a few $1,000s. And every bit goes a long ways. If you're considering buying or selling a home in 2018 or 2019, or you're looking for someone to help you with a remodel around your home, give us a call. We're happy to help anytime.